really wacky to poke someone's head. I was just taking a quick nap. Oh, my first Messi. Can you please pet me? Well, I'm speechless. You should know that best. Or your mum, right? Why bother with my fur when your hair is just